Ukire mwega murari wa kiheotv gunyite ugeni mohoro mwitu mathaa imwe kuri tariki 9 mweri wa kana na ni mwihoko wa tidia thayo ithe twatinda thayo mweno yo tugikuhariria na gukurugira mohoro matiganite ne hinda riega tukoro tugikuihurira jetagwo Maureen Wanjiru nake mwambiriri na njira ya shiko ni Maureen Wanjiru na mutongoria wa bũrũri Daktari William Ruto muthenya wa umuthi nyeuma na ihinda gukorwa kĩarĩria bunge ya kaunti ya Nairobi rita rĩa mbere kũgĩa gĩikaro kwariria bunge ya Nairobi kana bunge cia matura. Riboti yo ni ukorwo kĩmĩamũkĩra tũgĩthie na mbere tukorwo tukirika kũria mwena kana ndeto ciĩgiĩ Girigasha. Minister wa Girigasha Mutahi Kagwe augĩte Kenya ĩrĩ na ũhoti wa gũkũria irio kwa wĩingĩ na ũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩteithĩrĩria kũnyanyihia ũgũri wa irio kuma nja wa bũrũri. Akiaria kĩgomano-inĩ kĩrĩa gĩkũrehete hamwe anyitemi sector-inĩ cia Girigasha mwena wa Marindi, Mutahi augĩte kũrũmĩrĩra ũkũria wa irio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ ũgũteithĩrĩria nginyagia gũtũra mĩeke ya mawĩra kũrĩ mũingĩ. Oho Mutahi akĩũria arĩmi gũthiĩ na mbere na kwĩyandĩkithia na nĩguo makorwo makĩamũkĩra indo cia ũrĩmi mĩgũnda-inĩ arĩ hamwe na bataraitha ya thogora wa raithi.
As a ministry, we have this year ensured that our farmers, particularly during these long rains, have access to subsidy fertilizers and seeds to over 7 million farmers registered under KIAMIS. And I want to thank and congratulate Kenya Seeds, because for the first time, we have got the seeds being properly distributed and the subsidies being fed. Last year, the issue was we are giving a seed subsidy, but where is it going to? Who is receiving it? It was essentially middlemen buying from Kenya Seed and then moving it. And I remember the chair, Wangoi Girishi, telling me that we are actually wasting money, because at that time, what was happening is that the subsidy was not being fed. So thank you, congratulations Kenya Seed, NCPB, and this is part of what we were here for last year. You remember we were talking about the synergy that we can create between our sagas, between the parastatals. And what has happened in this particular instance is that Kenya Seed is working with NCPB to create seamless communication, seamless work together, each of them benefiting.
Tugitiga na icio ciĩgiĩ ũrĩmi tũhũthĩkire ciĩgiĩ thogora ya maguta. Ĩrĩ thogora ya maguta ĩthiĩte na mbere na kũgĩa na wari na ĩrĩa ĩthiĩte na mbere na gũkuruhania atongoria nene thirikari-inĩ hamwe na minister wa hinya wa kũhũthĩka Opiyo Wandayi. Rĩu atongoria kuma kaunti ya Siaya nĩmeyumĩrĩtie na gũtetera Wandayi makĩregana na mendekithia ma Opiyo gũkorwo agĩtigithio wĩra nginyagia kũgĩa na wĩira wa kũigana.
As leadership of this country and this arm of government, we are calling upon whoever is castigating against Opiyo Wandayi to give him chance. Opiyo Wandayi, the president, and the other waziri, to give them chance for investigations to continue, because it is believed that people are innocent until proved guilty. There is this outcry. People want to lynch Wandayi and the president on the matter of fuel shortage and the fuel scandal. We are saying, yes, we know there is need for political responsibility, but political responsibility should not be used to settle political scores. Give him time to work and give the investigators chance to do their job.
So I'm appealing to the public, or to those who are trying to politicize the issue, that let them stay away, wait for proper and thorough investigation is done, then we get the truth. Opiyo is a public servant. He's done his best. He's served the country very well. He served it very generously. He served it with all his ability.
I believe there are issues with the investigating authorities, and we believe that justice will be served to Kenyans, especially for these people who are trying to create artificial shortages of fuel, and we can just say that we are behind our leader, and we will protect him jealously as a people, and we request anybody who is pushing for his resignation to forget about Wandai resigning.
Otoreshigie uteti Gavana wa Kakamega Fernandes Barasa niabiete na mbere na kurira ndebe kaunti iyo gukore kiriro kia utongoria hari gituro kia munini wa kiama kia ODM. Barasa akiaria gicigo kia ubunge kia Rurambi augite atongoria ege kaunti iyo hindi ya githono kia mwaka wa 2020 macagurirwo na tigiti wa kiama kia ODM. Noguo kiama kiu kana gituro kiu gikorwo gibatie kwa githukirwo gituro kiu.
ODM na UDA no iguthie na mbere na kurutithania wira oni kuringana na gavana wa Kakamega Fernandes Barasa uria utetire ngwatanire no akiuga githurano kinene twerekeire atongorera magacagurwo kwanjirire gituro kia MCA magakorwo akuma ciama cia ODM na UDA.
Tunapatia mamlaka kinara wetu Daktari Burugu kwanza mazungumzo na chama cha UDA, na sisi tunasema kwamba akianza mazungumzo na chama cha UDA we are going there as equal partners. Kwa sababu chama cha ODM kuanzia mashinani hadi pale national kiko na usemi. Sisi nataka kuambia watu wa Rurambi na Kakamega kwa ujumla ya kwamba sisi kama wana broadcast, kuanzia kiti ya MCA, nataka nisikie sauti, kuanzia kiti ya MCA, wenda kwa mbunge, wenda kwa women, wenda kwa senator, wenda kwa governor, hadi president, tutachagua broad-based.
Akiari hedi ya mathiko ma murutani wa tene niwe Selina Wendo itura ria Shenywe sub county ya Rurambi. Barasa augite gituro kia munini wa kiama kia ODM gifatie kunegero mundu umite Kakamega, akiuga county ino ni kuranire kumana na wirutiri wayo.
Na mimi nitakuwa mstari wa mbele kuhakikisha Kakamega gets the fair share, kwa sababu we are the majority in ODM, na kuhakikisha broad-based government ya 2027 inatibiwa.
Haduini kiheotv jitagwo Irimu wa Wanjiru.
Egatho wa Irimu wa Wanjiru tureshirigie ODM eri ugari wa kiuteti uthiete na mbere na ngwakireria riu utongoria wa kiama kia ODM nimoritie atongoria a kiama kia DMG nimoritie kiama kia ODM ukorwo magitiga gukorwo makihe mutongoria wa bururi mikana miruru igi magai magugakorwo magithukirwo iturwa nene thirikari-ini wona President Ruto airukia tigiti wa o president itena ria keri. Mwandiki wa kiama kiu Joseph Olade akiaria hindi ya mucemanio kaunti ya Siaya augite mikana iyo ya guthondeka mienya minene ya kiuteti gitaru-ini kia ruguru wa bururi.
MDG, which stands for democracy, we believe that election is a competitive process, and we want to emphasize that as an MDG party we are advocating for competitive process, that this coming elections we have candidates as this party and all other parties which are in this country to face each other in elections. We've seen our brothers and our leaders from other parties crying foul of and it's a surprising cries, because if you have a strong party and you are getting in a negotiation not on development issues with the head of state and the ruling party, but getting on negotiation on how certain regions can be secured for you so that you go scot-free. And some of these statements are coming from very senior people, third-time members of parliament, very senior members of our community. It's a hogwash idea that should be, I think, dismissed by any level-minded person. And I'm happy even some members of those parties are against that. We want to tell the president of this republic that his interest is to get a second term in this country by getting 50+1.
This issue of zoning, we as party, we are against it, and we are totally against it. Number one, it is here in Nyanza that in the last election, Raila Odinga was defeated by 200,000 votes. And it is also in Nyanza where 700,000 people never voted. The reason was being just this issue of zoning.
Tugatigana na icio ciigi kiama kia Movement for Democracy and Growth kiria kirathi na mbere gukirira kiama kia ODM. Riboti iyo ni tukwamba guikiria nayo tuko tugicokeria na mohoro magi ndugathie haraya.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ni wiharirie kuoya ikinya mbere hari kiria wiriragiria guthoma ndugathingire kuona Jewel Technical College mari haha ni undu waku tuthomithagia kothi tiganite ta journalism and media studies niguo memekia hospitality management niguo rugi cosmetology and beauty therapy ni maundu mege maingi no thaka electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makiria moguo ni na thiomi cia na nja nicio Korean language o hamwe na German. Tucherere Jewel Complex gorofa yatu kurigania na TRM no tuhurire munaba kifugo mugwanja kifugo imwe githatu kifugo mugumwe niyo 0701300071 kana no tucherere daini rwitone rwa jewelcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the of wisdom.
Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta materera gikiro kia iguru mari na wigiririki munene farafara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muigi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Niondo wa uhokiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wafishine citoro Esambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM. Kana tuhurire thimu kugerera 0701640003 0703164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Ruoro rugitema koragwo wi wa kumenya maria marahanika guku bururi-ini na nja wa itoka cia Kenya.
When it comes to raising children, kindu kia mbere ndirera ciaria thaici uria we baba wanyu na mami wanyu kana andu aria makurerire aguka wanyu acushu wanyu uria makurerire tigurarera generation ino. Ndio kana nionete ga video kana trend TikTok kana gatira igwa dio itata wega kero etira mami wanyu akamwenda atafanya.
Do we have mutual benefit or any benefit financially from your wife too? Kogo, in case you're not there are those people togiuga ne your dependents national magi suffer financial loss. Life insurance yukaga in that
tondu hatiri handu na hamwe angehota gwika atia gwaka gutiri gwake gutiri kwao mundu ucio ari onu gwikarirwo thi ni aria me thirikari magacira matongoretio ni abunge senators aria macira makoiga atiri kwina ndo itu mena the tondu we nuinuka nyumba-ini ya ihiga gutina thina twacio ritwithio horo wao.
Nyitanagira na Francis Wairura na Wanjiko wa Mwangi tabarira-ini ya gugithereruka o muthenya wa mwambe kinyagia gatano thinashara na nuthu kinyagia thaa 3 cia rucini mitambo-ini ya Kiheo TV kihumo kia witikiri.
Ino ni sheni ya Kiheo TV kihumo kia witikiri.
Nĩ ngabo mwĩroreri na nĩtwacokereria ikerekaria keri na ngunyitio gina ngabo cia mwanya na ũrathi na habari na kũrũmanĩra na mohoro maya hĩndĩ-inĩ citũ cia ũkinyanĩria mũno wa Facebook Kiheo TV. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere, maabitha ũgima wa mwĩrĩ harĩ kũhũrana na mĩrimũ ĩtarĩ ya kũgwatania hamwe na nyitemi angĩ nĩ magomanĩte taũni-inĩ ya Eldoret kaunti-inĩ ya Uasin Gishu rĩu kũrĩa maugĩte ũnyihu wa indo cia macini cia ũrigiti hamwe na indo ingĩ cia motungata ma ũrigiti nĩ indo imwe kana nĩ ũndũ ũmwe ũracũngĩrĩria mĩrimũ ĩyo gũthiĩ na mbere na kuongerereka na kũhota arwaru nginya gũkua. Mũikairi gĩtĩ wa ngwatanĩro ĩyo ya NCD Gerard B. Watt augĩte nĩ gũkoretwo na ũritũ magĩrĩinĩ mao ma gũkinyĩra thirikari cia kaunti na makiuga nĩ ũndũ ũmwe ũthiĩte na mbere na gũcũngĩrĩria kana ukorwo kana ugicũngĩrĩria arwaru arĩa marĩ na mĩrimũ kona nditi nene ya kũrũa na mĩrimũ ĩyo.
So it is an area that requires a lot of resources, and we are asking the government, county government and the national government through the budgeting processes that they allocate enough resources so that these NCDs are managed and treatment is provided at an affordable rate. Since one of the biggest challenges that cuts across NCDs is the financial burden. It is very expensive managing NCDs.
Most of the challenges that patients face with sickle cell anemia is late diagnosis. It takes a lot of time for the doctor to decide to screen and diagnose most of these NCDs. So our wish is that let the diagnosis begin early so that the treatment can be easier, and it can also be easier on the financial part of it.
It has been an issue. You will get many patients sleeping in the hospital floors because there is no accommodation, because most of them come for maybe radiotherapy, and they have like 30 sessions, and that person has come from far. And this has brought a very big issue because this patient is sick, and you find that we would wish if the government can chip in and they're building affordable houses, so they can build a place where this patient can come and seek accommodation.
So we are urging, as NCD advocate, I'm urging the government to chip in. You see, because we need more screening. 70% of the people living with NCDs don't know their conditions. So with more screening, at least the 70% can be helped from perishing. People die. NCDs is one of the causes of deaths, one of the major causes of deaths, but most of the people don't know their conditions.
Tugithie na mbere, mwandiki mukaru minister ni ababayate na biashara nini Susan Magina nĩcemanitie na mbegũ njĩthĩ mwena wa Kĩrũgĩa kaunti ya Kirinyaga na arĩa marĩkĩtie kwamũkĩra gĩthomo kĩa ũhũthĩri wa kĩgĩna kĩrĩa mathukĩirwo nĩ thirikari rungu wa mũbango wa Nyota program. Agatha wa irimũ nĩ watinda gĩtũmabĩra riboti ĩno, mwaro nĩ wake aithĩranie makĩria.
Mĩhang'o ya kũhe mbeũ njĩthĩ gĩthomo kĩgiĩ ũhũthĩri wa kĩgĩna gĩa thirikari rungu rwa mũbango wa Nyota gĩcigo-inĩ gĩa Kĩrũgĩa kaunti ya Kirinyaga nĩ gĩtirihĩtwo. Mbeũ njĩthĩ acio makĩamũkĩra o mũndũ kĩmanjĩka gĩa ciringi 25,000 iria ikũmateithĩrĩria kwĩyaka kĩmũtũrĩre.
Leo tuko hapa kuungana na our vijana wetu wa Nyota beneficiaries. They've been undertaking mentorship, the first mentorship program. which is officially closing today. From here and precisely from 15th of this month, they'll be starting their second classroom training, and that training will be focused on just enhancing skills in some of the gaps that we have identified and experiences which they have as they've rolled out their businesses.
Mwandiki mukaru ministeri ya thothaitĩ na biacara nini Susan Mang'eni akĩaria thutha wa gũcemania na gĩkundi kĩa mbeũ njĩthĩ arĩa magunĩkĩte na kĩgĩna kĩu, augĩte mĩhang'o ĩyo nĩ kinyanĩire igana kwa igana na ĩrĩa ĩkũhingũra mweke wa gĩthomo kĩu gĩcunjĩ gĩa kerĩ.
And as the government and together with the county government, we are going to handhold them to support them until they get to settle their business na businesses zao zigrow na scale up. We are working out a framework of realizing that. Already from tomorrow, our teams from Nairobi will be sharing the data of our beneficiaries, especially those that have attended the mentorship period, because it shows that they have already launched their business. Maybe it is good that we are going to effect that from the mentorship experience, because the mentorship also involves us visiting their sites and seeing which type of business are they doing.
Mohoro-inĩ ma Kiheo TV, Agatha Wairimu.
Ngatho Agatha Wairimu nĩ gũteithĩrĩria icio ciĩgiĩ mĩrimũ ciĩgiĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ nyota program na riboti ĩrĩa tũkorwo tũgĩtiriha nayo mohoro ma ihinda rĩrĩ. Mohoro mangĩ no ciehanda thaa ithatũ tũgĩe na kĩrĩko atĩ no twĩcoka haha tũkorwo tũgĩthiĩ na mbere kũmenyithia mohoro mangĩ arĩ hamwe na riboti ĩgiĩ mũtongoria wa bũrũri kana kũrĩa auma bunge-inĩ ya Nairobi akĩarĩria maminista hamwe na ajumbe a kaunti ya Nairobi. Njĩtagwo Maureen Wanjiru nake mwambĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko auma Maureen wa Bui, tũkwendithĩrie wĩroreri mwega wa tabarĩra na iria cirarũmĩrĩra.